For over 25 years, the Takeda Thousand Oaks site in Southern California has manufactured treatments for patients with rare diseases. Patients are at the center of everything we do. As a global biopharmaceutical company, we recognize that human health is inextricably linked to the health of our planet. To do our part in mitigating our environmental impact, we've set ambitious goals to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions in our operations before 2035 and conserve natural resources as much as possible. At Thousand Oaks, we focus on initiatives that reduce energy consumption and increase renewable energy sources to support our global environmental objectives. In early 2023, nearly 7,000 solar photovoltaic panels were installed throughout the site. The system will provide approximately 40% of our on-site electricity need. That's 7.2 gigawatt hours every year. The electricity we generate could power more than 650 American homes annually. With 2 megapack batteries on site, we will be able to store excess energy to provide electrical power at night or during peak demand times. Following the installation, we now have a more sustainable infrastructure that reduces our annual CO2 emissions by 1,700 tons. The Thousand Oaks site is proud to produce and deliver life-transforming treatments in a sustainable way for the benefit of both patients and our planet.